at 9:30 and thought not to ask why. Turn the wheel and drive all the way up 65.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Today, we are not really doing anything overly exciting, nothing really that special. We are just heading out on a local FSR road, and we're going to try and find somewhere cool to hang out for the day. Have a campfire, cook some hot dogs, and just relax. Get some of that nature's therapy. We hope you stick around and enjoy what we have to show you. Thanks for watching. Well, let's go see if we can find a spot.
With how crazy it's been, it's, I don't know, man.
Wow, there is like nothing for water.
Brent ain't burying his nose in the water this time.
No. That's good. Well, I mean, well, no, we've had a lot of rain recently.
Yeah, I thought if anything, there was going to be water in there for sure.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we're going to be doing a loop-de-loop and finding somewhere else, I think.
Holy.
This is crazy.
Well, at least we get to show people what it's actually like trying to find a camp spot in the
Lower mainland.
Lower mainland. Oh, the water's super high.
Oh, yeah, there's not much beach area at all.
There's really not.
Where are we going to turn?
Oh, I'm just going to tell the guys we're turning.
If they can back up.
We're just going to turn around here, guys.
Whoa. That's nuts. I might be able to turn around over there.
Where?
I don't know. Kind of go into here and...
No, just going to wait for Brian.
Jiggles. That's crazy.
That is nuts.
Wow. That's crazy.
I've never seen that before. I always thought you always get a spot there. Even though it's busy, you still always have a place to have a campfire, but not there.
There's just not a lot of beach access right now.
Yeah, looks like the water's pretty high.
So yeah, you can totally see how busy it gets. Classic long weekend madness.
Or the wind picks
Thankfully,
up and they
Brian
get waves.
scoped out a little tucked away spot so we could at least breathe. And just to keep things interesting, our gimbal decided it's had enough and throws a little bit of a hissy fit. Stick around to the end. The final shot gives you a full taste of just how nuts it gets out here.
All right, guys, we have made it to our spot for the day. We didn't record coming in because, you know, like I said before, it's a local FSR, and honestly, it's been recorded so many times before. We wanted to go to the one spot which we showed you was crazy busy. We have never seen it that busy before. To be fair, it is a long weekend, but regardless, we went down the road a little bit and we found this spot pretty cool. We've never actually spent any time here, but turned out great. Lots of wood. We're gonna get our fire going, not for heat, for cooking. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. So thanks for tuning in. All right, guys. We are doing the simple campfire hot dog.
Well, no, it's not a hot dog.
Smoky.
What a cool spot we found though, eh? Brian found this actually because he was the big explorer on this. There's a mosquito trying to get me. I can't let that happen because it does this to me.
It is a great spot.
I would totally camp here. Like, I know this is just a day trip, but 100% I would camp here.
Yep, definitely.
As far as the footage we saw earlier, this is, if you pan around, there's at least some space.
Yeah.
Which is rare in the mainland.
It's going to be delicious. It usually is, though.
Always is.
Always is. I'm going to go grab the campfire sticks and we will be back.
Come on. There we go.
There we go. I'll prep the buns and meet you at the fire.
Okay, can I have a paper towel to wipe that? I don't want meat hands.
All right, here we go. The buns are ready. Let's go see if the smokies are set. How they doing?
Good. I'm lazy roasting.
Me too.
Let's throw that down. Throw this in here on the chairs. Actually, I gotta do this one at a time.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Thank you. Boom, look at that.
So good.
So good. These are gonna be wicked. All right, got my garbage in me. Like that.
Yum yum.
And I will put this away. She does this every time I go to take my first bite. She comes right on me. Hi.
Hi. As good as always, I presume?
Absolutely delicious.
Awesome. All right, guys, there you have it.
That's it. We're done.
We are done.
It's been an amazing day. It was actually, you know, it's relaxing when people start falling asleep around the campfire.
We definitely don't
even
wanna
on a
leave.
day trip. It's incredible. It's something we needed, and we're glad we did it.
Absolutely.
But now we have to wrap up and go home for one day at work to have one day off.
Yeah, it's a bit annoying,
Happy
but
Canada Day.
excuse me. Sorry. I tried to avoid the cough, but hey, what are you gonna do? All right then, we are cleaning up. We're heading out. We thank you for coming.
Until next time,
Get out there
enjoy life.
and find your home.
Okay. It's pinstripes on the main road.
Legit, their tents are in the water. It's like there's not a lot of beach.
This is the reality of if you can't go a few hours from home, this is really what it's at. tents are like side by side down there.
Yeah.
Like, that's not camping. Brian, your amber and your clear that's in your bumper is totally sick.